Welcome to Let's Explore. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey through time and space to uncover the origin of iron, the element that not only shapes our world but also courses through our veins. Join us as we explore the cosmic birth of iron, its vital role on Earth, and the fascinating stories woven around it. Iron's journey begins in the heart of massive stars, where nuclear fusion transforms lighter elements into heavier ones. When these stars reach the end of their life cycles, they explode in spectacular supernovae, scattering iron and other elements into the cosmos. This stellar alchemy seeds the universe with the building blocks of planets, life, and us. Billions of years ago, Earth was bombarded by meteors and comets carrying these precious elements. This cosmic delivery system deposited iron deep into Earth's forming crust and core. Today, iron makes up about 35% of our planet's total mass, with the core itself being composed of approximately 85% iron and 5% nickel. Iron is crucial to generating Earth's magnetic field. The movement of molten iron and nickel in our planet's outer core creates a magnetic dynamo. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar radiation, makes compasses work, and even helps guide migratory animals. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The significance of iron is also highlighted in the Quran. In Surah Al-Hadid 57-25, Allah says, "And we sent down iron, wherein is great military might and benefits for the people." The Prophet Dawood was blessed with the ability to work with iron, fashioning weapons and armor. This divine mention underscores iron's importance in human history and civilization. Iron isn't unique to Earth. Mars, our red neighbor, owes its color to iron oxide on its surface. Even the Moon and asteroids within our solar system contain significant amounts of iron, pointing to a shared cosmic origin. Iron is indispensable in our modern world. It's the backbone of construction, transportation, and technology. The global iron ore market is valued at billions of dollars, with prices averaging around $120 per metric ton. From skyscrapers to smartphones, iron's versatility is unmatched. Chemically, iron is represented by the symbol Fe, with an atomic number of 26. It forms a variety of compounds, such as iron oxide, iron 3 oxide, and iron sulfate, iron 2 sulfate. These compounds are used in everything from pigments and fertilizers to medicines. When lava erupts from a volcano, it can contain iron-rich minerals. As the lava cools and solidifies, these minerals can become magnetized, aligning with Earth's magnetic field. This process creates natural records of the planet's geomagnetic history, known as paleomagnetism. Iron is abundant in our solar system. On Mercury, iron constitutes about 70% of its mass, making it the most iron-rich planet. On Mars, iron oxide gives the planet its distinctive red color. Even on Earth, iron is a major component, driving the geological and magnetic processes essential for life. Iron has been pivotal in human history, from ancient civilizations to modern technology. The Iron Age marked a significant advancement in tools and weaponry, shaping societies and economies. The Zikr of Dawood and the divine significance of iron in the Quran remind us of its enduring impact. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded that iron, a fundamental part of our world and our bodies, has a truly cosmic origin. From the hearts of ancient stars to the core of our planet, iron's journey is a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe. We are stardust, shaped by the cosmos and bound by the elements forged in the fires of creation. Stay curious, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more cosmic journeys. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the origins of iron. Until next time, let's keep exploring the wonders of the universe together.